Hi friends, this is Loli. Welcome back to the channel. Today I bring you some amazing ways to turn your trash into cash. Let's start with the first inspiration. I'm going to use this sign from Dollar Tree and 3 empty cans of my cat food. I cleaned up the front and I removed the hanger, the sticker, and painted this with my black rich folk art paint. While the paint dries, I'm going to work on the cans. I took 2 packs of these dessert cups from Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue them to the bottom of my cans. I decided that I wanted the middle one to be higher than the rest, so I added another little cup to it, and I'm going to just butt them back to back or bottom to bottom with some E6000, and then I'm going to add the 6000 to the bottom of the can and attach that to it. Once everything was set and dry, I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them with this Rust-Oleum paint. Then I took some of this little pumpkins from Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint them with the same paint that I used for the cans to create little feet. Now I'm going to attach them to the bottom of my board using some E6000 and some wood hot glue. I flipped it over and let it dry. Then I'm going to take my pieces and attach them to the board using some E6000, having the tallest one be at the center. Friends, if you're enjoying my video so far, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. That truly helps my channel grow. Once all 3 pieces were set, I'm going to come in with some of these burlap leaves from Dollar Tree and add them around the entire surface. Before attaching them, I removed the wires that are attached. And I repeated the same process on the other side. Now I'm going to come in with some of this Spanish moss from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a section big enough to be able to spread in between the 2 candle holders, as you see there, just making it nice and flat. And I'm going to glue it using some hot glue. I also used some Spanish moss to fill in the cans as well, and also added in the other blank spot in the middle of the 2 candle holders you see right there. And then I came in with a variety of pumpkins from Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue them around this entire arrangement. Then I took some of these florals from Dollar Tree and we're going to add them onto the arrangement as well. I also added a couple pieces of boxwood. And this is what it's looking like so far. But we're going to add some candles as well to the top section. And now this is done. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think. Friends, this video is part of the Turn Trash into Cash Open Challenge hosted by David from David Owen Creates. The link to his channel and to the playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Don't forget to stop by and show everyone some love. This next inspiration is a little bit simpler. So I'm going to use one of these little cheese containers that I had laying around, and I'm going to paint it with my Rust-Oleum black paint, and I'm going to take this candle holder and paint it with the same metallic paint I used for the previous DIY. And I just spritz a little bit of that metallic color onto the black just to give it a little bit of shimmer. Now I'm going to use some E6000 and some wood hot glue, and I'm going to add a little piece of wood that you see on there. I had that left over from a previous DIY, and we are going to add it on there. I'm placing my container so I know exactly what pieces I need to cut off at the ends and just marking it with a pencil. Then I used my miter shear to cut the ends off and sanded it off once they were all done. And then I attached the container at the top using some E6000 and some wood hot glue. And this is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going to come in with some florals. I added a piece of floral moss to the bottom of this, and I'm adding some of the same florals that I used for the previous DIY, just trying to arrange them evenly to give this a symmetrical look. Then I took some cattail picks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place them individual little sprigs around the perimeter of the arrangement and a couple at the very center. Now I'm going to add some moms from Dollar Tree to this arrangement. I am placing them in between the yellow ones. Some of the leaves on the cattails were kind of frayed, so I am just burning off the edges and cutting off any excess strings. And that is it for this one. Look how cute, guys. Let me know what you think. And here we are with the final reveal. Don't forget to leave me your comments. My friends, if you're enjoying this content today so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps my channel grow. And go ahead and subscribe so I can continue to bring you some more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time I upload a new video. And of course, don't forget to see my friends in the playlist so you don't miss out on all the amazing creations they have gotten ready for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget again to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion and binge away with this playlist. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to stay awesome. Thank you so much again for spending time with me today. Have a great day. Bye.